Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Broadcasting video over the internet using the Zixi method involves leveraging Zixi's software and protocols to deliver live and high-quality video streams. Zixi is a transport protocol that optimizes video delivery over IP networks by ensuring low latency, high reliability, and improved error correction. Below is an informative tutorial that covers the basics of broadcasting video using Zixi, along with a code example. 1. What is Zixi? Zixi is a proprietary protocol designed specifically for the broadcast and streaming industry. It provides features such as error correction, resilient to packet loss, ensuring video quality; low latency, optimized for real-time broadcasting; scalability, supports a wide range of applications from small to large-scale broadcasting. 2 requirements. To broadcast video using Zixi, you will need a Zixi-enabled encoder, hardware or software; a Zixi-enabled receiver, example a media player, cloud service; a stable internet connection; access to Zixi's cloud service, optional. 3. Setting up the environment. Before diving into the code, make sure you have the following. 1. Zixi encoder. This can be any device or software that supports Zixi. Examples include OBS, Open Broadcaster software, with a Zixi plugin, hardware encoders, or dedicated Zixi software. 2. Zixi receiver. This could be a Zixi-enabled media player, cloud service, or a custom-built application that can receive Zixi streams. 3. Zixi license. Depending on your usage, you may need a license from Zixi. 4. Broadcasting video using Zixi. Step 1. Setting up the Zixi encoder. If you are using OBS, Open Broadcaster software, as your encoder, follow these steps. 1. Install OBS. Download and install OBS from the official website. 2. Add a video source. Open OBS and add a video source, example a webcam or a media file. 3. Configure streaming settings. Go to Settings Stream. Select Custom Streaming Server. Enter the Zixi server URL, example Zixi//server IP port. Set the stream key if required. 4. Start streaming. Click on the Start Streaming button in OBS. Step 2. Setting up the Zixi receiver. For the receiver part, you could use a Zixi-enabled media player or create a custom application using a library that supports Zixi. 5. Example code. Below is a simple example in Python using the Zixi library, hypothetical, as Zixi does not provide a public API as of my last knowledge update. However, this can give a conceptual idea of how to implement a Zixi receiver. Note: the above code is hypothetical and assumes the existence of a Zixi Python library, which may not be available. You'll need to adapt this to your actual programming environment or use libraries specific to Zixi. The real implementation will depend on the programming language and libraries available for the Zixi protocol. 6. Conclusion. Broadcasting video over the internet using Zixi involves setting up a Zixi encoder to send the video stream and a Zixi receiver to capture and process it. By leveraging Zixi's capabilities, you can achieve high-quality and reliable video delivery suitable for various applications. For further information, refer to the official Zixi documentation and support resources to understand the specifics of implementation, licensing, and advanced features.